This is Attorney James Betzold. Hello to all of my friends. Hello to my attorney friends. I know I'm broadcasting this live on a couple of the attorney groups as well, so welcome. If you have any comments, please throw those in the comments right now. But I wanted to bring you a quick update of something I saw come through the emails. So there's two new cases that we've received that had been referred to the Attorney General. The Attorney General had referred them to himself. When the Attorney General in immigration cases refers a case to himself, he's saying, hey, I didn't like how that case turned out. Give it to me. It's mine. I can do what I want with it. I'm going to change some stuff and issue a new decision. So he did that today with two decisions. The first one we're going to talk about is matter of AB. Now, if you're an immigration attorney, throw a comment in there somewhere and let me know, because we are literally shouting for joy in the office. I just scared my assistant daughter here. You can see she's working very hard. Say hi to the camera, honey. Hi. There we go. See, we're working very hard here in the office today. And she's like, what's going on, Dad? And I said, well, let me tell you. And then she's going to listen now and learn something too. So matter of AB was that terrible decision that, let's see, that was the one. Yeah, that was the one that overturned ARCG, where they said essentially domestic violence is no longer a way to get asylum. And it pretty much, they tried to categorically refuse any future asylum cases based on it. So what they did is they overturned, with this case, they overturned a case that said, yeah, domestic violence can count. Yeah, Guatemalan women who can't escape the relationship and have children in common, that counts as a particular social group. Well, thank you to Mr. Jeff Sessions. He undid that. So he referred it to himself, got rid of that possibility, ruined probably thousands of people's lives in the process. But now that same case was referred to the Attorney General. He overturned it. He says, we're going to undo what Jeff Sessions did because that was ridiculous. So now, once again, at least for the time being, it is possible to go to immigration court and based on a domestic violence claim or being unable to escape a domestic relationship that is abusive or persecutorial in nature, you can again ask for political asylum, which is wonderful because there's plenty of people who need that. So that's essentially decision one. I'm going to talk about some of the reasoning behind that in a minute, but let's mention the other case, which is called matter of LEA. And now because it was a decision, and then Attorney General Jeff Sessions referred it to himself, so they put a parentheses 1 at the end, and now it's parentheses. Well, no, there was parentheses 1 and parentheses 2, because then again they rehammered it. But now I guess what you would call parentheses 3, matter of LEA, says, hey, everything Jeff Sessions did is going away because it was wrong and it was nonsense. Now, matter of LEA, this was a decision that essentially put the kibosh or eliminated the possibility, in more layman's terms, but it eliminated the possibility of asylum claims based on family relationships. And also, I believe this one, he mentioned that it had to do with criminal private actors as well. I don't remember if it was this one or if that was part of matter of AB as well. I just got so excited when I was reading this, I forgot a couple of things. Anyways, it's vacated in its entirety. So once again, in the asylum context, we can use a nuclear family as a part of as a particular social group, right? Matter of LEA, as left by Jeff Sessions, precluded it, but now that's completely revoked. Now, why are they doing this? Why are we going flip-flop on what's happening with asylum? Well, one, asylum's important. It affects a lot of people who really need help. And we have a new president and a new attorney general who are more favorable to, I don't know how you would say it, being human and caring about humanity. So that's why. Now, the other reason is they're saying that the President Biden, has instructed the Department of Justice and the Department of Homeland Security to start start drafting rules and regulations on what exactly can qualify for asylum and how. So the Department of Justice, Department of Homeland Security are in the process of preparing these new rules. And in that process, they realize that, these two decisions cause too much confusion. It makes everything too confusing and leaves a lot of ambiguity. So they're vacating Jeff Sessions' rule or rulemaking on this. And it's sort of clearing the slate so that when these new regulations come into place, it's going to be a lot clearer. And this is actually a really good indication of the type of regulations that we might see, where it can be possible to get asylum based on membership in the particular social group when that group is your family, or when you've been a victim of domestic violence, or you're in a domestic relationship with or without children from which you cannot escape. And the other one that was mentioned in here as well was if you're a victim of a private criminal activity, right? That also left a lot of confusion in the district or in the immigration trial court level and in the Circuit Court of Appeals and in the BIA, because for the first time, it was Jeff Sessions who said, no, private criminal activity never qualifies you, which is sort of nonsense when you look at how much nuance and how much details and how much gray area there is in the practice of immigration and especially asylum law. So that's your update there. Again, I'm attorney James Betzold. Take a look at our website. If you would like access to some free information, you can find it here, visafeliz.com. Betzoldlaw.com is our other website. But I wanted to give you that quick update today so you can be aware of it, because you know what? The immigration laws change quickly under any type of administration, it appears, but at least under this one, they've pretty routinely been getting better. So hope you have a great, what day is it? Is this Wednesday?
Wednesday.
It's only Wednesday. I really thought it was Thursday. Have a great Wednesday, and we'll be in touch. All right? Take care. Bye.